Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com, and today I have a very different ration. I've got a 24-hour Jordanian military ration. This weighs just a little over a pound. Doesn't appear to be a whole lot to it, but let's see what we have inside. First thing we have is 3 spoons. And we have quite a few napkins, whatever you might need those for. We have a package of honey. Have a package of apricot jam. And here we have a can of light meat tuna and sunflower oil. It has an expiration date. Has an expiration date of January the 15th, 2020, and it says it's a product of Thailand. So that ought to be pretty good. Then we have the accessory pack. Here we have a package of white beans. Has an expiration date of October of 2019. And here we have a package of white rice with chicken. Has an expiration date of May 2019. So that's everything that's in this Jordanian 24-hour. Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com. Today we're going to unbox a British 24-hour ration pack. It's a menu number 2 with the package date of October of 2016. So we're going to open it up and see what's inside. Okay guys, we got everything laid out. Let's go over what we have. Here we have Mexican tuna with pasta, 300 grams. We have a chicken and mushroom pasta. We have the all-day breakfast. We have the ginger pudding and ginger sauce. We have our classic napkins. Here we have grapefruit drink. Have an orange hot chocolate, a raspberry flavored drink, a fruit and fun. This is apple kiwi. Got the hot diggity dog hot sauce, smooth peanut butter. Have cheddar flavored cheese spread. Have a cranberry cereal bar, a fruit flavored energy drink. Okay, here we have the accessory pack. Let's go through it and see what we have. Okay, we've got everything laid out. Just wanted to show you the size of this Ziploc bag. Probably holds half a gallon. If you wanted to store water in there. We have 2 alcohol-free antibacterial wipes, 2 different types of tea, 2 different types of coffee, 4 packs of sugar, 4 packs of creamer, package of chewing gum, windproof matches, giant spork, and water purification tablets. Feels like there's 6 of them in there. Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com. Today we have a Russian single meal, a menu number 3, has a production date of April of 2017 and a best by date of February 2019. It contains 1,290 calories and it weighs 1 pound 6 ounces. So we're going to open it up and see what's inside. Hey, what are you doing?
We have porridge, kasha with beef, 250 grams. Huh? What am I doing? I'm doing your job. I'm doing your job. Check it out. See, we have vegetable caviar. What is this? Vegetable caviar.
100 grams.
100 grams. Yeah. Then we have apple butter, apple jam, whatever you want to call it. It's apple.
What's Nathan call it?
Nathan calls it good.
So how many grams is that?
This is
45 grams.
45 grams, yeah. We have crackers. Not 1, but 2. We have 2 packages of crackers. Not the Lithuanian titanium Panzerplate crackers either.
These will break?
Gently on your teeth.
Okay.
I forgot how many grams.
What's it, hecto?
No, Right there, maca hector.
Maca hector.
Yeah, 50 grams. I'm learning. Oh, right there.
50
Maca hector.
grams.
50 grams. I'm learning to read Russian.
So 100 grams of crackers.
Yeah, 100 grams of crackers. We got some sugar here. Why is the sugar so big?
It's 20 grams.
But why is it so much when I only have just one package of tea? Do I need all this sugar and this tea? Maybe.
Well, you usually don't have much sugar in your tea anyway, so.
I guess I can have some for later. Let's see, what else I got? I got salt and pepper.
Which one's salt?
My Russian's not that good yet, but this is black, so I'm gonna say that's pepper. I'm gonna say that's salt.
Okay, I agree with you.
See, maca. But there's my Russian there. 0.3 grams.
Okay.
This little tiny thing. I've got a water purification tablet right here.
How much does it weigh?
Hardly nothing. There's your stove.
Okay, and now the fuel tablets are self-striking.
Yeah, they've got brown there.
Yeah.
Self-striking.
So you don't need any matches.
Yeah, I got 3 of them.
And where's the stove at, though?
Right there.
Oh, okay.
The metal part there.
Yeah, I got you.
Okay, I've got some napkins.
How many you have?
One. I thought I had some, but I was wrong. I've got one.
Okay, so.
I'll have to tear it in half. Yeah, see? They've got a crease here for you. So, you tear it in half. Then you've got 2.
Well, open it all the way up. Let's see how big it goes.
You got to be real careful with it because it's as thin as a snowflake. Yeah.
As thin as a snowflake.
Yeah. Man. Okay.
Okay.
That's really thin. Okay, I got to put it back.
Is it so thin it only has one side?
It only has one side.
Okay. What else we got in
Alrighty.
here?
Then I've got my 2 moist towelettes. One is for your hands, and one is to disinfect your utensils. And I used to know which side is which. I'm thinking this side is for your hands.
That's what I'm thinking too.
And that side is for your utensils.
Okay. I think you're right.
If I'm wrong, somebody leave it for me in the comment section.
Yeah, because you were wrong once.
I was wrong once back in
1977.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I got a spoon.
Yeah. How thin
Let's
is it?
see.
Is it good?
Yeah, that's a good spoon. Crack! Oh, no, that's
I'm
a good spoon.
Yeah.
And then my old arrow friend that I usually don't know what it is.
Yeah, I think it's to open around the edges of the can. Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com. Today we've got a British 24-hour ration. Menu number 17 has a package date of July of 2016. We're going to open it up, see what we have. Okay guys, we've got everything laid out. We have a 300-gram chickpeas and rice, 300-gram vegetarian all-day breakfast. Here we have ginger pudding with ginger sauce, 200 grams. Here we have 300-gram Moroccan-style bean stew. Have a package of cheddar cheese spread, hot chocolate, orange-flavored drink. Have a package of peanuts. We have a small bottle of Tabasco sauce. Here we have 3 drinks. We have a grapefruit, a tropical drink, and a tutti frutti. We have biscuits brown. We have an orange energy flavored drink. We have a sesame seed bar. We have a package of napkins, cola bottle candies. We have a package of tuna and light mayonnaise. And we have the accessory pack in the large Ziploc bag. So give me a second and we'll be back and show you what's in the Ziploc bag. Okay, we've got it laid out. This is what we have. 2 packs of coffee, 2 packs of tea, 4 creamers. We have 4 packs of sugar. We have 2 alcohol-free antibacterial wipes. We have windproof matches, 6 water purification tablets. We have the giant spork. We have 3 pieces of chewing gum. The top 2 are sugar-free.